everyone, Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today's soap is going to be more on the masculine side. I wanted to throw in like a men's soap, or for anyone who likes the musky, spicy type of masculine scents. And most particular reason I have is that I want to give Bradley and my dad a bar for Father's Day. So let's get started by adding in our Lye Solution, which is, what is it? It's sodium hydroxide lye. That's what I'm going to say. I'm blaming pregnancy brain here. Come on. Sodium lactate and some distilled water into my oils that I also use kaolin clay and coconut milk powder in. We'll give this a quick little mix until it's at a very light trace, and then we'll split it up into colors. Three separate containers for three separate colors. Into the main bucket, I'm adding some Magic Mushroom by Nurture Soap. Into one of these little containers, I have some Enchanted Forest by Mad Micas. And into the other one, I have some Activated Charcoal for a nice black detoxifying swirl. For the fragrance, I chose this bay leaf and tobacco. It says it has zesty notes of citrus, white cedar wood, oak moss. Nowhere in there does it say anything about bay leaves or tobacco, so. It also says there's no discoloration. Well, pink, but I don't think that's going to be a big problem with these colors. No acceleration, no ricing, and no separation. So let's just hand stir that in. Plan for this soap's design is to alternate these colors and do a chopstick swirl. Make a mess while we're at it. You guys, I feel really silly. When I started planning out this soap and picking out the colors, I did not realize when I put them together it was going to look like a camouflage soap. So accidental camouflage soap it is. I'm going to top it with some lime leaves that I thought would represent either the bay leaf or the tobacco, the fragrance. But you know, leaves kind of go with camouflage, so we might as well just call it a camouflage soap. I didn't do like the design that would make it look like actual camouflage, but that doesn't mean it can't be a camouflage soap. I'm also going to put some berries on here. They are pink peppercorn berries. And that is all that's going on top of the soap. And I'm a little worried about these lime leaves. One, because I feel like they're going to break. They are very fragile. Two, they're probably going to turn colors and they're going to make cutting this soap a bit of a pain in the butt. So let me think about this. I might just stick them up. If I stick them up, they're definitely going to break when I go to package them. I guess I didn't really think out this soap too far ahead. A lot of soap makers will draw out their designs, and maybe that's, you know, where I go wrong because I don't. And then I get over here and go, it'll be fine. It'll turn out. We'll see. But it'll be fine. I am going to leave a little unboxing at the end of this video. I was sent a Be-Scented mystery box by a subscriber, and I opened it up and I thought I would share it with you. See if you guys are interested in trying to scent it yourself, or if you have any ideas of what I should do with the fragrances. Go ahead and watch that. Some news for you. I've been out of work because of the COVID situation since mid-March. I got the phone call to start work on June 1st. And I was like, I don't wanna. I am too used to not working now. Please don't make me go back. But I did. I went back and I realized, now that I'm 5 months pregnant, that I just don't need that stress, and it is even more stressful than it has ever been because the schedule is a mess and the protocol for, you know, taking care of patients with this pandemic and virus going on. It just doesn't make for a very great day. So I decided after 3 days I was going to quit. And so I've quit my job again, and this is the job that I've quit before and they asked me to come back. But since then there's just been too many changes, and none of them for the good. So many people have either been permanently furloughed or have quit, and it's just not something that I want to be a part of. It's a circus and a sinking ship, and I quit. So back to making soap full time, even though that's what I've been doing since I've been laid off. The end. Alright, sprinkle on some on this side, and sprinkle some on this side, and I'll come back in 24 hours. I should give this a spray with a rubbing alcohol so we don't get any soda ash, and then you guys can watch me struggle as I try and cut the soap. It'll be fun. Alright, let's cut this accidental camouflage soap and see what we have on the inside. I've turned it on its side because a lot of these little botanicals on top are going to fall off. Hopefully those lime leaves don't give me too much trouble, but they are, because there goes one. Came right off. But the inside, I really like that. I dig that a lot. And it smells really nice too, really nice and clean and bright. I think I'm gonna work off of that the fact that I accidentally did those camouflage colors and maybe name it something like Woodsman or Huntsman. You know, it's not a camouflage design, just the colors, but I really like brown and green together, and I tried to match the colors to the fragrance. And this is what I got. See, I just don't plan out a lot of my soaps. I kind of just sometimes throw them together last minute or put them together in my head. And this is what happens. So this guy will be available on July 24th. If you want to get one or know someone that you would like to give one to, I know my dad and Bradley will be getting a bar of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, or subscribed yet, like I'm clever, don't forget to do that and leave me any questions or comments in the comment section down below. Because until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day. I will smell you later. Alright, let's see what's in this mystery box. I want to say a big thank you to Natalie, one of my subscribers, for sending me this. I have always wanted to try Bescented, and I've never ordered from them before. And I've really liked the fact that they do mystery boxes. But as a soap maker, sometimes you have to make a decision whether you want to order something that you know you're going to need and you're going to be able to use, or do you like surprises? And so I just haven't, being that I've never ordered from Bescented, never really ordered from them. But thank you to Natalie for this awesome package. I'm looking forward to using some of these Bescented products and sharing them with you guys. Let's see what we have here. A whole bunch of fragrances. We've got some lemon slices. So I see a lot of people, soap makers, using Bescented, so I'm really excited. So this is ginger and lemongrass. And we've got some ginger souffle. Ooh, mash. Woo, that smells so good. Can't wait to use that one. It smells like a fall scent. This is called the lime and the coconut. And that smells like summer. Looks like we got a nice spatula. You can never have too many of those. Got some red raspberry mica. That's pretty. I see Denise over at Simply Love Soaps do a lot of unboxings of these scented mystery boxes, and I've always been so jealous. I was like, I really want to try one. So they've got gin and tonic. A lot of new fragrances in here to try. Sea salt and orchid. That is delightful. And then we've got some white jasmine and pineapple. Yep, that smells good too. Kind of reminds me of like a gummy bear. It's weird. And then sparkling ginger. So there's a lot of ginger scents and summer scents in here. So that is really fun. I am excited to use these fragrances. And this mica, awesome sauce. Thanks again, Natalie, for giving me this opportunity.